Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use GetStencils for Pinterest pin design. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to getstencil.com and log in to your account. Create a new design or start a new project. From the list of design format, select Pinterest pin. This will automatically set the correct dimension, which is 1000 by 1500 pixels. For Pinterest friendly design, which is 600 by 900. Once you are on the editor, click on the Templates tab on the left sidebar to browse through pre-made Pinterest template. You can search for specific design or categories. Choose a template you like and it will open on the editor. Click on any text box to change the design, title, description of the pin. Pinterest often performs pages with catchy, concise text that grabs attention. You can choose the font style from here and its size from this slider. You can also change its color from here. You can also upload your own image. Go to Uploads tab and upload it from your desktop. Use the Icons tab to add arrows, buttons or other design elements that will make your pin stand out. You can choose the background of the pin by selecting the Photos tab from here. Once you have customized the template to your liking, review the design for clarity and visual appeal. Once you are happy with the Pinterest pin design, click on Save button. Then click on Download button to save the image on PNG or JPG format. By following these steps, you can create eye-catching Pinterest pin that are ready to engage your audience and drive traffic. So that is how you can use GetStencil for Pinterest pin design. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.